Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way, and today I have a few Valentine's Day DIYs for you. Now this is a lantern that I've had quite a while, and I have two that I'm going to do today that I'm just going to add with mesh material, and it's one burlap material that I'm just going to make a nice big bow on the top of it, and then I'll sit it near my fireplace. I always love to decorate them for the different holidays and light them up, and it come out so cute. So here I have mesh that I had some left over from Christmas and from the springtime, so I just grabbed up some of it and decided I would make a nice little bow and put it on the top. Something so quick, simple, and easy, and turned out really cute. So we'll be surprised when we go back in our stash the little things that we have that we can decorate our home with on a nice little reasonable budget. And right here I'm going to kind of get them I guess you say organized or whatever, so kind of grabbing them, getting them together here to make just a nice little simple bow just to go on the top. And I will tie it with this little ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree on top of it. So it does, as I say, once I get it together, it does come out really cute for me. And I was gonna add the reason I set it down, I was gonna add more bows to it, but these three could turn out to be enough for what I was trying to do. And this is the burlap with some mesh in it as well. And I'm just going to use the little ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree to tie it and make a nice little bow on the top of it. And I just, once you get it there, you can fluff it, to your liking. And I think it came out cute to add a little something to your lantern. And I have the next one, which I would do it the same way, using the same three patterns here, and just tie it on the top. I love working with mesh. I add it to my garlands on top of my fireplace and my mantle. It just comes out really nice. Put it on my tree, Christmas tree, and now I have some on my Valentine tree. This is a tree I leave up all year in my dining room. I normally have two trees, but the bigger one I take down. This is a medium size that I use, that I leave up year round and just change it with the seasons and holidays. And I just thought this was something so simple that just add a nice little quick little decor for Valentine's Day to your to your other Valentine's Day decors. But I thought it was cute, and I would turn the candles on that I have and set it down, and it looks really nice, and it's so cute to me. And right here I have two pillows that I got during Christmas, and I decided to turn them over and just use the red side of it for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to just fill them and add the little hearts on top, and just turn it over, and I'm just going to glue it and stuff it and just add they had the little heart, I think it was two, yeah, two in there. So I cut one and added it on the top of my pillow here. something, again, just something quick and simple that don't take much to add to your Valentine decor that you have. And this is the two, they're little sacks, and I just cut the top off of it. And I really in the beginning didn't know which way I wanted to go with it, so one of them, I started to, cut the hearts out, and I thought I would just glue them down, but I ended up using just the one, the top of it, because here I'm cutting it, but I end up not using it that way. Sometimes, you get started, you don't know which direction you want to go in, but I ended up just, after I did all of that, just using the other one and just gluing it to the top, realizing that, I didn't need all of it to do what I was doing. And it turns out, it's simple, but it turns out cute. And the little bag, the other one, I just stuffed like a little pillow. And this is the finishing of my little pillows. Tell me what you think. And I just stuffed the other one, smaller one, and I think it came out cute. Okay, guys, and right here I have the pink, beige, and white acrylic paint that I got from Walmart. And right here is another simple, quick Valentine's Day decor that you can put it on one of your tier trays or wherever you like, if you have a little candy station or whatever. And I thought this was the quickest, simple, easy way to go here. And I just only painted the lids, and I got in a couple of bags of candy from the Dollar Tree, for the little for my jars for the decoration here. And I do sit it on top of my fireplace with some other decors that I have. So it did turn out really cute, and I just added, a bag of candy to it, and add my bow. And the bow I did get also from the Dollar Tree, and just make a cute little quick bow and put a little heart there, and it turns out to me so simple and cute. And then with these candies, you can put them in other things or your jars. You can use candles, whatever you like to do. But I decided to use the candy, with this. And then later, if you want to make your farmhouse or change your ribbon to a nice little lace, whatever you decide to do. And forgive me for that, I race across it. I forgot my hearts. So I'm just going to put a little heart right in the center of my bowl. Sometimes I do this, I sit down and then I realize, oh God, I forgot something. And I have to actually go across the camera with it, and I hate that part of it. But I think it came out really cute. Tell me what you think, guys. And this is the finishing of my little candy jars. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.